Sometimes you don't need a permanent seat cover. That's where these innovative seat defenders from CURT come in handy. The CURT seat defender is defined as a use-as-needed seat cover, and they're awesome. This is a must-have accessory for anyone, from moms to tradesmen and anyone in between. Now, when we think about permanent seat covers, we think about seat covers for torn or damaged seats maybe. But these are those wait, let me put something down on the seat kind of cover. No, seriously, these are coming home with me today. These are going to be my Aussie Shepherd fly fishing wader mountain bike seat covers from here on out. A quick easy on right before the muddy dog jumps in, or the muddy mountain bike ride home cover, or the impulse buy on potting soil kind of cover, or the wet swimsuit kind of cover. Not only are these seat covers easy to install, remove, and clean, but the seat defender is built to handle any mess for years to come. These seat covers are built from a tough 600D fabric, and they're backed with a thermoplastic rubber. This creates a waterproof cover that won't slip on the seat. If you're interested in purchasing the seat defenders from CURT, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.